Story 16.
Hello everyone, welcome to my part 1 of the Lift 2 series. Today we'll be taking tour of Lift A and Lift B at commercial block 925 Yishun. Here is a 1991 Fujitec elevator. Let's ride the lift. Oh my god. So this is how the lift looks like when you're not like using it. It's installed in 1991 and you can see here it's a very old classic looking lift. Yeah, as you can see here. Oh, by the way, let us head to level 4. Let's take a short tour of the lights. So you can see this thing actually has a ventilator, which is very rare for very old lifts actually. This looking very nice because this is the buttons that all made of metal actually. Now they got a small lift. Yeah, looks like a very retro lift. There's no chime for this lift. Go to lift B. I'm saying lift B. Another 1991 Fujitec, but except this, if I'm in this lift and the other lift, this lift is much more crowded, and that's why I'm kind of, not gonna stop this lift forever. So, as you can see here, this also has a newer exterior call button, not like the other lift. The newer exterior call button. As you can see, not a lot of students are going, so I'm just gonna ride this up and probably not capture it. This lift is very old, but this one has the new color exterior button. This lift is more crowded compared to the other lift as I told you. And this lift actually, both of them are installed in 1991, and somehow these have very old interiors, but they're kind of like refurbished. So as you can see here, they actually kind of have a sensor. So if I imagine I put my hand here, it actually stops. So it's not really like a very old retro lift, but it's still like has the feeling of the interior is very old. But as you can see here, it doesn't really it's not really. It has a lot of safety features. Next block 923, anyways 932. That block has two Fujitec 2019 lifts and one old. Actually, you know what? I'm going to film 928 first. So you can actually watch show I film 928 or show I film 992. Let's see. Two 2019 Fujitec lifts. I'm going to take the lift A. Oh. Come on, open. Let's kind of have the Johnny Tech Nelson door for the announcement, which is very good because I'm like seeing these days a lot of the Fujitechs. These are all using the new clothing announcement. This is like 2024, 2025, and that's why this one has the older one because it's more older lift than the other ones. Anyways, it's not a very fun, interesting lift. Like the one's a 9 to 5, but still I can tell it's very decent. Yes, maybe it's literally the announcement, but there is one like this. They're literally just very banging. Come on, I mean, why do you not even miss it? Johnny Emerson no closing. My last lift in the lift door. Here we have a very small EM lift, which is kind of surprising because I've never seen an EM lift very small. And here we have a replacement right now as well. Okay, let's not walk. Oh my days. Oh, kind of actually have a fence. Oh, this lift actually really small, bro. Can't even. I feel like this lift can only handle very less people. I don't know why it's doing like this because it's very small. Oh, this is actually kind of slow. It's very slow. Oh my days. Yeah, this is very small indeed. It's very small. I kind of have to. I'm gonna bend the stick in this here, bro.